Some cricket now. Defending champions West Indies start their title defence at the T20 World Cup tomorrow when they oppose 2016 beaten finalists England in the UAE. Despite less than ideal preparation, the Caribbean men are hunting their third hold on the title, starting in the match which bowls off at 9 a.m. Jerome Foster reports.
The West Indies suffered heavy defeats to Pakistan and Afghanistan in their warm-up matches, going down by 7 wickets and 56 runs respectively. Added to that, outside criticisms of the squad by fans and regional leaders have seen public outbursts from leading players and the call for harmony from CWI President Ricky Skerritt. However, the Caribbean side is known as a tournament team, especially with a proud record of not losing to England in a global T20 tournament in 5 attempts. And Captain Kieron Pollard is looking to extend that record.
We accept that, the 2 warm-up games would not have gone, how we wanted in terms of, scoring the amount of runs and the sort of intent that we're looking for. But, be that as it may, I think, before the guys joined the camp, with pre-IPL players joining, for that final, we had a good couple of days of, good, intense, sessions and guys understanding roles and responsibilities. And, we get a sense that the guys are up for it. The guys are just looking forward to start this tournament. And as I said, yes, we accept that we didn't do well in the warm-up games, but, be that as it may, it is what it is. We move on from that and we look forward to tomorrow.
The name Carlos Brathwaite is synonymous with the second crown in 2016 for the Windies, and it took England's captain Eoin Morgan 7 months to get over the pain.
It's not something that you can just let run off your back. It's something that you need to understand and like I said, learn from. But for a guy who to come in a World Cup final and hit 4 consecutive sixes to win the game for his team is just an incredible feat within itself.
The regional team are without the Barbadian for this trip, but Captain Pollard wants a team to play their attacking brand of cricket.
Where we are right now, trying to cover all bases. As I continue to say, and I've said before, is that we try to keep our strength and work on our weakness, and we have accepted certain things, and we have gone back behind the scenes and try to work on that. So hopefully we can see a difference. And just not to go a step further, I'm sure, yes, you can say that in terms of the 2 games that we would have played, guys didn't show that sort of intent and, different things might have come out. But we in the background are very, very confident that the guys have done what is needed and, hopefully look to hit the ground running, come this first game.
There are still some doubts over the fitness of explosive all-rounder Andre Russell, who returned after close to a month out in the Afghanistan defeat, according to Pollard. As a team that strives on pressure moments, the Windies may use the build-up and tension regionally to fuel their pursuit of recreating the winning magic of 2012 and 2016. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.